Hey guys, welcome to Gen Technology. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a functionable button using HTML and CSS only. But before we start, let's see the finished masterpiece. Okay, so it is here. Okay, then let's open the preview package and then let's click this. And then, ta-da! We've arrived at the Gen Technology webpage. Oh, by the way, remember to check it out. Okay, so next, let's move on to the real coding. So open a new HTML file. Okay, so I've opened it already. It's called button.html, and then open another file called button.css. Which is this. Okay, next we can really start now. Okay, so in the HTML tab, type HTML tab, and then click tab. Okay, next type link tab, and then replace the CSS/master stuff with button.css, which is that file. This will link to that file. Okay. Next, we want to have a link, so use the A tag and then href. Then put the link inside, which is https://JAN technology 1927. Actually, you can add the www dot 1927.wixsite .com/YouTube. Okay, so that's the link. And then add the closing tag as well. Also, you can add some words inside. Okay, next let's add a title for it, maybe button. Okay, that's optional actually. Okay, so let's move on to the CSS part, which is all the designing and coloring. You should know that by now. Okay, so first let's decorate the body. Maybe the background color, or maybe a background can be white. Actually, you don't need to write this because by default it's white, but yeah, there's no harm in writing that, right? Okay, so let's type A and then curly bracket, and then type background color. Let's make it dark blue, semicolon, and then let's give it a width, which is 100 pixels, and a height, which is 50 pixels. So perfect rectangle. And we also don't want it to be like very rigid, and so we want some rounded corners. So just write border radius and set it to 10%, which is just right for our case. Okay, next set a position, absolute. Next, so we want to make a transition, kind of like an animation, but yeah. So let's set the transition property to background, and then semicolon, then transition duration, again like animations, into 1 second. This is for the when you hover over it. Okay, next, just type A and then colon and then hover, and then curly bracket. So this part is for when you hover over the button. Okay, so set the background color to cyan, which is light blue if you don't know. Okay, so let's preview HTML. So the text will be a bit ugly, but let's try it first. Preview HTML. Okay, look. So looks like we have to change something. So let's see. Let's save this and then ta-da. Okay, so we need to fix the text a bit. So let's change. Let's give it maybe H3. And then the closing tag as well, remember. Okay. Next, let's edit it in the CSS part. So type H3 curly bracket, color is white, so you can see it more clearly. And transition property, we also want a transition for it, so it's the color, of course. Then transition duration is 1 second again, so it should be the same as this. Okay, next type H3 and then colon and then hover. Okay, next curly bracket and then color is black. So this is this is when you hover over it, because when you hover over the box it is cyan, and well, you should be able to see black in in light blue. Okay, so just save it and it should be like that. So you can also position the text, maybe text align equals center. Oh good, but save it and ta-da. Okay, you can also position it maybe top 100 pixels, left 100 pixels. Yeah, like that. Okay, so yeah, feel free to customize it any way you want. And but before we go, let's test it out one time. Oopsie. Okay, let's click it again. Whoops. Okay, so yeah, this is the spirit of coding. Yeah, always finding bugs and stuff. Okay, so let's check this website. And then click it again. Whoops. Okay, let's try another web page maybe. Oh, so I found a bug. I typed full stop here. So remember that, guys. Don't be careless like me. Okay. So gentechnology192.wixsite.com/YouTube. Okay. It should work now. Yay! Okay, so don't be careless like me. That's that's being careless. Okay, so well, that's all for now, and remember, have fun coding. Bye.